One of the best tools that you can use to evaluate websites is the C.R.A.P test. To access all that I'm going to talk about now, you go back to the library homepage, click on the Research Tips tab, and then click on Website Evaluation. And here's all the information about the C.R.A.P test. There's a little video here that explains it in more detail, and there's an overview of what it is. So the C.R.A.P test helps you determine or evaluate whether a website is credible and valid. And it does this by looking at four major areas: the currency of the site, the reliability of the site, the authority of the site, and its purpose. Those words don't mean much the first time that you come across them though, so on this page as well there's a link to an evaluation worksheet that you can download from the site. When you open it, you'll see that it actually guides you through those four areas. This can be printed off or copied into a OneNote document, and it's a really good tool to use the first times that you evaluate websites. After you've done it a few times, it should become automatic. It's fairly self-explanatory, but I'll just quickly go through it. So you can see that it's divided into each of these four areas. There's a series of questions and then prompts about that question. So it goes through it for currency, reliability, authority, and purpose. So it's a really good guide to give students to determine whether they should be using the website that they're on as a source of information that's credible and reliable.